गोंयकारा आमी आयज आहाय चिंचिनी पाल्मा ग्रँड जंय आमचे नोबल नेस्ट ती आमची मॅडम बाय मारिया पुत्तादो हे चलयता हे ओल्ड एज जी मनशां आहाय तेंचे पासत आनी आयज आमी एक व्हडलो दीस मनयतात स्वतंत्रायेचो दीस तेका लागून आमी आयज ही भेट हे असले आमचे आवय बापायक दिवपा येयले आनी व्हडले भशेन तेमी आमकां येवकार दिलो तेका लागून आनीक एक पावटी हांव आमचे मारिया पुत्तादो बायक दिनवासता देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तेच भाशेन आयज जी कोण भितर आहाय तेमी आमकां इतलो मोग आनी मोयपास दाखयलो आनी तेंची भावनाय तेमी भायर काडली मिन्स तुमी तुमचे मायक पाय कितकोन ट्रीट करपाचें तुमचे कोण मिन्स तुमगे घरां रावताय फॅमिली को रावताय तेंको कितकोन चलपाचें तें बीन सगळें तेमी आमकां सांगलां आनी अशें कोन्न एक फॅमिली कशी न्हू तें आश्रम इट्स नॉट लायक अ आश्रम बट इट्स लायक अ फॅमिली सो हिंगे येन आमकां इतुलें खुशालकाय भोगली आनी आयच्या दिसाक सो तेका लागून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा
I would like to thank each one of you for spending your time with us, and we were very happy and blessed to have all of you, and be assured of our prayers for each one of you and your families. Whatever you do it for the humanity.
आयच्या दिसाक आमी शिचोडणे आहात आनी आमी भितर सरता आसतना आमकां येवकार दिलो मॅडमीन वी आर ग्रेटली थँकफूल टू मॅडम मर्लीन कित्याक तेणें आमकां वेलकम केलो वी केम वीथ नथींग बट वी आर गोईंग वीथ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग वी लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग फ्रॉम हियर फ्रॉम दीस प्लेस आनी आमी इमोशनली आमी कनेक्ट जाले तांकां आमकां जाय ते भितर उलयता आसतना तेंकडे तेंच्यांनी आपली भावना उद्गारली आयच्या दिसा इंडिपेंडन्स डे आनी आयच्या दिसा फेस्ताचोय दीस बट एक वेगळेच तरेन आमी तो दीस सारलो
That service to man is service to God, and I really appreciate the work what Marlene is doing over here to look after the old age people. Well, it is not an easy task as to say, but it is very difficult, but with love, sacrifice and full dedication she is doing it for all the elders. And I also felt so nice. I felt it is a small heaven on earth to be with them. And I also thank each and every one who has gathered over here. And instead of celebrating their feast, everyone has given time for these inmates over here. I congratulate Marlene once again for her love and dedication and sacrifice. And hats off to you for your service for these old people. And of course, we were all emotionally broken up also to see that they are really suffering without their children and family. But Marlene is giving them all her love and all her support, and she also holds a mass for them, inviting a priest. I thank Marlene for taking care, and I will visit this place again with my small gift for these inmates over here who are spending their time with Marlene. Thank you, one and all.